obstacles is expected. Locations impacted include Moccasin, Long Range, and Groveland Big Oak Flat. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sacramento. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Stanislaus and Tuolumne. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. Your thunderstorm warning for South Central Tehama County in Northern California, Northwestern Butte County in Northern California, North Central Glenn County in Central California, until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Interstate 5 near Corning, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Vina, Corning, North, and Chico. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sacramento. Large hail, damaging landmarks, and continuous clouds and ground like long occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Glenn, and Tehama. An urgent message from the National Weather Service. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. California. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Glenn, and Tehama. 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Long Range, or 16 miles north of Atwater. California, Butte, Glenn, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Tehama County in Northern California, West Central Butte County in Northern California, Northeastern Glenn County in Central California, until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orland, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Heavy, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hamilton City, Orland, Wheaton, and Durham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Sacramento. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Glenn, and Tehama. You are listening to the voice of lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, and Tehama.
The new and you won't be seeing them in.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Stanislaus and Tuolumne. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for southern Tuolumne County in Northern California, East Central Stanislaus County in Central California until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. It's 4:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Secret, 8 miles northeast of Shaw, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Tuolumne and east central Stanislaus counties, including the following locations here. Take cover now. Move to a basement or a flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Stanislaus and Tuolumne. Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, and Tehama. Substantial shelter and warning from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Stanislaus and Tuolumne. These receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If any warnings or watches are in effect or threatening weather is possible, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and the EAS signal. We now return to the regular
carefully.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Tehama County in Northern California until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rancho Tehama Reserve, or 13 miles northwest of Corning, moving east at 5 miles per hour TOAWRD Interstate 5. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henryville, Corning, and Rancho Tehama Reserve. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county, Tehama, California.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.
By the California on behalf of the Oakland Police Department. On May 20th, 2025, at 12:36 p.m., Amira Tillman was abducted from Oakland, California. Amira Tillman is a 2-year-old black female, 1 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 60 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Amira Tillman is believed to be wearing a pink top. The suspect, Andrew Tillman, is a 26-year-old black male, standing 6 feet tall, weighing 200 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The second suspect, Tamira Claggett, is a 24-year-old female black, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 175 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Tamira Claggett is believed to be wearing a pink dress and gray shoes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspects and victim are believed to be on foot. If seen, call 9-1-1. Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of California Highway Patrol. An Amber Alert.